Welcome to Easy Click Income. Have you ever wondered how to make money with Fiverr affiliate marketing? Well, you're in the right place. Let's start by understanding what affiliate marketing is. It's a strategy where you promote a company's products or services and earn a commission every time a sale is made through your referral. Now, imagine coupling this with Fiverr, an online platform that connects businesses with freelancers offering digital services. Fiverr affiliate marketing is a fantastic opportunity to generate income online. By sharing Fiverr's vast array of services with your audience, you can earn a piece of the pie every time they make a purchase. It's a win-win situation. Your audience gets access to high-quality services, and you earn a commission. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, Fiverr affiliate marketing can be a valuable addition to your income streams. So, are you ready? Let's dive into the steps on how you can start your journey with Fiverr affiliate marketing. Setting up your Fiverr affiliate account. The first step is to set up your Fiverr affiliate account. Now, this process is quite straightforward. Head over to Fiverr's main site and look for the option that says Become an Affiliate. Give it a click and you'll be directed to a sign-up page. Here, you'll need to fill out some basic information. Think your name, email address, and the like. Remember, the devil is in the details. Provide accurate information, because this is how Fiverr will identify and contact you. Also, your payout details are crucial. Accurate details ensure that your hard-earned commissions don't end up in limbo. Once you've filled in all the required fields, you'll need to agree to Fiverr's terms and conditions. Make sure you read these carefully. When you're done, click on Register. Voila! Your Fiverr affiliate account is all set. Once you have your account set up, you're ready to move on to the next step. Understanding Fiverr's commission plan. It's essential to understand Fiverr's commission plan. Now, Fiverr offers different commission structures, each designed to cater to different marketing strategies. Let's dive in. First up, we have the cost per action or CPA plan. Here, you earn a fixed commission for every first-time buyer you bring in. It's a great choice if your audience is new to Fiverr. Next is the revenue share plan. In this model, you get a percentage of the revenue from the clients you refer. This plan is ideal if your audience is likely to place large orders or repeat orders. Finally, there's the hybrid plan, a mix of the two. This offers a smaller CPA and a smaller revenue share. It's a flexible option that lets you enjoy the best of both worlds. Choosing the right plan depends on your audience and niche. Stick to what works best for you. With a solid understanding of Fiverr's commission plan, you can maximize your earnings. Finding the right products to promote. Finding the right products to promote is a crucial step. It's like fitting the right key into the right lock. The world of Fiverr is vast, filled with a plethora of services, from graphic design to digital marketing, writing and translation to video and animation. And within these categories, there are subcategories, each brimming with unique gigs waiting to be promoted. So, where do you begin? Start by identifying your audience's needs. After all, the golden rule of affiliate marketing, or any form of marketing, is understanding your audience. What are they interested in? What problems are they facing that a Fiverr gig could potentially solve? Are they looking for sleek logo designs for their budding businesses or SEO experts to boost their website's traffic? Once you've mapped out their needs, you can dive into the ocean of Fiverr services and find those that align with your audience's interests. However, relevance alone isn't enough. Consider the quality of the service. Look at the seller's ratings and reviews. A top-rated seller with glowing reviews and a portfolio that speaks volumes about their work is likely to be a hit with your audience. Promoting high-quality services not only increases your chances of making a sale but also builds trust with your audience. Also, consider the pricing of the service. While Fiverr is known for its $5 gigs, many services cost significantly more. If your audience is composed largely of startups or individuals on a budget, promoting a $1,000 gig might not be the best strategy. Look for services that offer great value for money. Finally, consider the service's popularity. While it's tempting to promote the most popular gigs, sometimes, less popular gigs can be a gold mine. These are often unique services that cater to specific needs and have less competition. Remember, the aim is not to promote as many products as possible, but to promote the right products. It's about quality, not quantity. It's about finding that perfect fit for your audience. Choosing the right products will increase your chances of making a sale. Promoting your affiliate links. Now that you have your products, it's time to promote your affiliate links. One of the most effective strategies for promoting affiliate links is through content marketing. This involves creating and sharing informative and engaging content that subtly promotes your affiliate products. For instance, you could write a blog post reviewing a service offered on Fiverr, and within that post, you could embed your affiliate link. This way, your readers who find the service interesting can directly click on your link to make a purchase. The key here is to provide value to your audience while subtly promoting your products. Next up is social media marketing. These platforms offer a wide reach and potential for virality. You can leverage platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn to share your affiliate links. Remember, the goal is not to spam your followers with links but to engage them with content that leads to your affiliate products. You can create posts that highlight the benefits of a service, share customer testimonials, or even run contests and giveaways. All these can drive traffic to your affiliate links. Email marketing is another powerful tool for promoting your affiliate links. By building an email list, you can directly reach out to people who have shown interest in your content. You can send out newsletters or promotional emails containing your affiliate links. The key to successful email marketing is to personalize your emails and to not overwhelm your subscribers with too many emails. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of SEO. By optimizing your content for search engines, you can attract organic traffic to your website or blog. When people search for topics related to your affiliate products, they can find your content, and consequently, your affiliate links. This involves using relevant keywords, creating quality backlinks, and regularly updating your content. Remember, the more effectively you promote your links, the more potential earnings you can make. So, begin implementing these strategies today, and start reaping the benefits of your Fiverr affiliate marketing efforts. Tracking your progress. Keeping track of your progress is vital. Let's delve into the how. Fiverr's robust tracking tools are designed to give you a clear picture of your affiliate marketing performance. These tools present you with real-time data that shows exactly how well your promotional efforts are doing. You'll see data such as the number of clicks your affiliate links are getting, how many of these clicks are converting into sales, and the total commission you've earned. But why is this information so crucial, you ask? Well, this data is like a compass. It points you towards what's working and what's not. Are you getting lots of clicks but few conversions? Perhaps your audience isn't aligning with the products you're promoting. Or maybe your promotional methods need tweaking. By analyzing this data, you can make informed decisions and adjust your strategies accordingly. This continuous cycle of tracking, analyzing, and adjusting is what makes successful affiliate marketers stand out. By tracking your progress, you can continuously improve your affiliate marketing efforts. Key points to remember. Let's recap the key points we've discussed today. Firstly, we delved into the world of Fiverr affiliate marketing, understanding its potential as a lucrative income stream. It's about promoting the services offered on Fiverr and earning a commission every time a sale is made through your unique affiliate link. Next, we navigated the process of setting up your Fiverr affiliate account. It's a straightforward process that requires basic information like your name, email, and password. Once your account is set up, you're ready to start promoting Fiverr services. We then moved on to understanding Fiverr's commission plan. This is crucial as it determines how much you'll earn from each sale. Fiverr offers different commission structures depending on the category of service promoted. So, it's important to familiarize yourself with this plan to maximize your earnings. Our fourth key point was about finding the right products to promote. This is where your market research skills come into play. You need to identify services that are in high demand and resonate with your audience. Remember, the success of your affiliate marketing largely depends on the relevance of the products you promote. Next, we discussed how to promote your affiliate links. This can be done through various channels like your blog, social media platforms, or email newsletters. The key is to create engaging content around these services and subtly include your affiliate links. Lastly, we highlighted the importance of tracking your progress. This involves monitoring your clicks, conversions, and earnings. By doing so, you'll be able to understand what's working and what's not, enabling you to fine-tune your strategies for better results. With these steps, you're well on your way to making money with Fiverr affiliate marketing. The journey might be challenging, but remember, consistency is the key to success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions or experiences to share, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy affiliate marketing.